Start.
Good morning, students. Today we are here once again to revise chapter 2, that is articles and determiners. Now, what is the major difference between these two words? First, let us know. Articles are the words which modifies any particular noun or pronoun. So, there are two kinds, definite and indefinite, as we know, A and D. This comes under this through. And next comes determiners. Determiners also modify any particular noun, but article is also a determiner, but all determiners are not articles. Now, in your book you will find variety of determiners in a chart been given there. Various kinds of determiners have been given there. First comes articles, A, N and the. Next comes possessive. Possessive determiners is any noun or any person holding or possessing anything. That is my, your, our. This is just like this is my house, this is your bag, that is our school. So, this comes under possessive, that means this are the possessing one. Next comes demonstrative. Demonstrative is to demonstrate, that is to indicate. Here 4 words comes, this, that, and the plural of them are these and those. One is for the nearer objects and one's for farther. Just like those and that are for farthest one. Just like this is our school building, those are our new constructions. So, these we can tell so. Next comes quantifiers. These are the words which comes other words are also there. Next comes numbers, which is also known as numerals. So, here 2 varieties are there, one is cardinal, the other one is ordinal number. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and ordinals first, second, third, fourth and so on, but one more word is there, last. That number also comes under ordinals. Next comes interrogatives. As you know, interrogative means to ask anything, to interrogate or to inquire. So, naturally WH words, who, which, whom, whose, then how, these all, and words comes in the sentence and it ends with an interrogative tag or a question mark. Now, we are here first of all today to describe about this particular word quantifiers. Now, here I have made one chart. Various quantifiers are there in your book. First one comes more and much and little. These 3, more, much, little. These are used for uncountable nouns. These are used for uncountable nouns, just like more. Give me more coffee to drink. There is much milk left in the jar. Little. He has little money with him. So, these are for uncountable nouns. How we can convert into countable? If we tell any particular number, just like more. Give me more food to eat. So, we can count. Give me more dishes to eat. So, number of dishes could be countable. Much. Give me much, as we are telling, give me much coffee to drink. But we can tell, give me 4 cups of coffee. Then it comes under countable. Little also, if we tell any particular quantity, it will come like that. Little, then comes a bit more, a little, then the superlative one, the little. Okay. Next comes many. Many is countable noun. There are many books scattered on the table. So, we can count number of books. Many students are present today. We can count number of heads of students. So, these are the words which are comes totally under countable. Next comes few and some. A bit difference in between these 2 words is few is used, both are cases of countable but indefinite quantity, or you can say a bit vague quantity. Vague means indefinite number, but both are countable also. Now, few. Few is we are describing less than 5 nouns. Few describes less than 5 in number, whereas some describes equal to or more than 5, that means above 5. Just like few students were present today, that means hardly within 5 that much students were present today, whereas some equal to or more than 5. Some of the students replied my answers. So, some of the students replied my questions, just like as I give you task to do, you solve and you give. So, some I can count the number. By that time when the number comes, it comes automatically under countable. But until and unless we do not tell any particular quantity, so naturally it will come under much or little, that means hardly any. Next comes two more words are given there, any. Any is used partially for negative words, that is I have hardly any money left in my purse or left in my wallet. Hardly any means hardly some money, means almost nil. Just like hardly any student replied my question, that means hardly, just like hardly one or might be two, like that type of. But how we can tell more than that? Some students have replied or some students were present, some students submitted their project works, like that. Next comes all. All people were gathered there to near the crowd, we can say, or in the platform. So, that comes under all, means we can count the number of heads here, or a group of people also we can tell there. So, various such words are here which describes quantity, but some are mentioned in the cases of countable, whereas some comes under uncountable. And the major difference between definite and between article and determiner is all determiners are not articles, whereas article is a part of determiner. That much only. It is better you go through all the examples been given there in the book, highlighted in green in your pages, as well as you see some other examples are also there at the back part, and try to solve once again. If any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.